So this is how to recover your Instagram account when you've forgotten the password. So from the Instagram login page, you click on forgotten password, just as you are seeing in the red box, the red rectangle. So just follow the red rectangle and then you can recover your Instagram account. So from here, you choose to input whatsoever you remember, whether your email, your phone number, or your username. So what I remember is my email address, and that is what I'll be using for this video. So when you are done inserting your username, you just have to click on the send the login link, just as you are seeing in the rectangle box there. And you will receive a recovery email, a link to actually recover your Instagram account in your email. If you use your phone number, you will receive an SMS. So from here, you can see that this is the email I received from Instagram to recover my Instagram account. So all I would have to do here is to actually reset my password, since I've forgotten the password and I would want to recover the account. So I'll just choose reset password, and this will take me to a page where I'll have to create a new password. A new password. So from here, all I would have to do is just input my new password and also confirm the new password. When you are done with this, you just click on reset password, just as you are seeing. So this way you can recover your Instagram account. If this was helpful, share to your friends and subscribe to this channel. Come back for more tutorial content just like this one. Catch you up in my next video.